megalayapost.news
ការសរការចលាកលារ៉ៃបន្ទងដកកនហ៊ុនតកិនហឡរកజిงកណបំសាប់កజిงបំបញ្ញហកបកజిงទូណាកజిงត្រកម្មយ៉ងវ៉ៃសិនចលកា National Law University Meghalaya ឧ Professor Indrajit Dubey យ៉ាកណេលបន្ទាបដកខាស៊ី Student Union KSU លំបាឧ General Secretary ឧសំឡា Donald V Thaba ហាឌិនបាឡឧជរមិនតកស្ងីដកសិទ្ធិប្រសាយោវ៉ៃសិនចលកា NLUM សាកមន្ត្រីកត្នាតលោកា Dr. Amprin Lengdo កា Dr. Amprin Lengdo កលាប៉ាន់ពរអរបណៃបានប្លងកజిงតកិតបារុបាន IT យ៉ាកខៃផតបឡាយកលុំណាកណេកజిงតកិតសាក Governing Council បា Executive Committee จงกา University บากันทุบรู้ยาวนองบิชาร์กับ High Court บันทอกิบเนี่ยฮัลโหลกันในกจิงอุจอร์กับ KSU ประชาเอว Vice Chancellor กับ National Law University เมฆาลายองอุสมลา Donald V Thaba ชิกินองขบอร์กุมบันเป็นกันเมากันในกจิงกันนอกับ KSU ประชาเอว Vice Chancellor กับ NLUM กับเดย์กับบักกิลาวัดจิงติบลังบัก RTI อักฮักบาลากันนอบักดอนกับจิงบัมซับบัดกับจิงบอมเบียงฮักรกมเทรกัมจงกับเตกสกูลบา
Delegation of the Khasi Students Union have met Dr. Mazel Amprin Lengdo, the Cabinet Minister in charge of the Law Department, regarding the management and the maladministration of the Vice Chancellor of the National Law University Meghalaya, Professor Indrajit Dubey. So the Khasi Students Union have filed a few RTIs a few months back, and it came into our notice that there is gross mismanagement, financial mismanagement, and also there are irregularities in appointment in the university. We found that the Vice Chancellor had misused funds from the state government for his personal travels. In our RTI, we found that he had taken many trips outside the state under the expense of the state government, public money. And there are a few trips that mention that they are official. However, we found that there are many trips which are not, which are very vague, in which there is no mentioning whether it is official or personal. If it is personal, how can the Vice Chancellor use public funds? And we found also that he is living a very lavish lifestyle. He is having coffee in Starbucks and also expensive hotels. And in one particular program, which is the Climate Investment Coalition for the Global South, which is being held on the 20th of February 2025, we found that the total expenditure for that program is 25 lakhs. And though the KSU has no qualms with regards to the expenditure of the program, because we understand that it is a necessity for the welfare of the university and the students' community. However, in our RTI, we also found out that even alcoholic beverages have to be taken out from the state exchequer. In a single day, rupees 3,56,750 rupees is being used for alcoholic beverages. Now, is it right for the Vice Chancellor to drink alcohol with our money, with public money? That is a question that we put forth towards the government. And he has been appointing professor in practice, professor in residence by drafting his own first statute, which he grants power to himself to appoint anybody at his own wish. So we found that these professors also do not take classes. They rarely take classes. Only 2 out of the 6 take classes. But they draw their salary every month. And the overall expense, right from September 2023 till this date, around 46,83,500 rupees is being given to them as salary, and they do not take classes. And their salary is 1,50,000 per month. So these are some of what the KSU have found out through the RTI, and we have submitted a memorandum to the concerned minister and also to the Commissioner of Law, Cyril Dingdo, in which there is one finding that a certain Professor Dr. Ankita Chakraborty is being appointed as assistant professor, though she is not having the required eligibility criteria. However, we found out that she is a research scholar of the wife of the DC in IIT Kharagpur. So what we also found out is that the Vice Chancellor do not want to advertise his post. Yes, he did give advertisements, but there were no results, and nobody is qualified also and he appointed his own people in order to state the reservation policy. He's appointed people from his own state and outside the states, not as permanent staff but as contractual. So the university has been here since 2023. Why are there no proper advertisement for permanent posts? That is of the utmost requirement for the welfare of the students and also of the university. The government Kong Amperin, on behalf of the government, she asked us for 2 months' time to carry out the investigation. We will submit our finding to the Governing Council and the Executive Committee, which includes High Court judges of the Meghalaya High Court, to scrutinize all our complaints. We have demanded for the removal of the Vice Chancellor, but it seems that there are certain problems with his removal. But they assure us that they will submit the findings to the Finance Committee, the Executive Committee and the General Council. So with regards to that, action will be taken.
Meghalaya Post.news.